Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an awesome day today with lots of good food, lots of snacks, and sleep. Sleep is always nice. I woke up at like 12 today. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the new for me, I just got it a couple days ago, but it's the Google Nest Hub. So like I said, I just got this thing a couple days ago. I've had so much fun just playing around with it and just swiping, playing music from it. There's a lot of really cool smart home things that you can do from it. So I figured in this video, let's talk about that. Let's cover what it can do. So we'll be going over the features, the display, and the sound, just to give an overall thoughts, give you guys a good impression if you guys are looking at buying it. And let's just get right into this. Alright, we got sound, we got our GoPro, we got our camera. I think we're good. So I think first up is the features. So just for like the home screen, just when you're not even using it, you can have it set to just a watch if you'd like. If you want, you can also swipe and you got some pictures. These pictures you can have either chosen by Google and Google's own pictures that you can choose from, or you can actually load in your own photos that you have and put them in a Google Photos album. And if you want, what's kind of cool is that you can actually make a live photos album. So like, let's say I always want pictures of me and my girlfriend to always be updated. So whenever I'm taking pictures, oh, sorry if that was loud. So whenever I'm taking pictures, it'll recognize if it's either me or my girlfriend, and it'll always update and add photos of us into that album, which will then be shown on the screen here. So this is just when you're not using it. Right now I got the weather, the time, but whenever you want to actually use something, like let's say play music, we got Spotify right there, we got some top stories, got more Spotify, we got some YouTube videos. This integrates really well if you guys have a smart home. If you have anything smart home, smart lights, anything like that, what's kind of nice is if you go down from the top, you can go view rooms or go into individual lights. So let's just go into view rooms. I can just turn off all my basement lights, which includes that one. So let's turn that back on so that you guys can actually see me. But then you can see some of the things that I have in there. So basement, we got some bedroom lights, we got some living room stuff there too. So it's kind of nice that you can just control everything just from the hub, and just from easily just going into your menu. Even if you just want to turn all your lights off, you can do that, all lights right there. So I have this sitting on my desk, and if you guys do have a desk, if you work from your desk a lot, I find it really helpful to have right there, just nice and easy, just to be able to control everything smart home without having to pull out your phone and sign in and go to the Google Home app. You can just easily control everything just from right here. And if you want, you can even like go to the color and control each individual light or whatever you want. So it's really nice to have. Another thing that I really like about what this can do is I have a bunch of Google Home speakers in my house, and what's really nice is because I have them in a group, you can have music play through all of them at once, and you can go and control all of everything in the group individually. So like, let's say I want the max to be louder because I like the sound from that one more, I can go and turn that one up. So that'll cover it for features. Next up is going to be the display. Just to start off with the display, one cool thing that you could either consider a feature or something under the display is that you can watch YouTube videos on this. So I'm going to turn the audio down there just so I can keep talking, but this is one of my videos right there. It's really nice that you can just, maybe while you're working, you want to have something on in the background, and of course you can do that on a computer or phone or whatever. But like, let's say if you're in the kitchen and you want to watch a cooking video, just being able to watch YouTube, pretty helpful. So on top of being able to watch YouTube, again, a lot of this stuff kind of moves into the features as well. But the pictures that are being displayed, even the ones that were taken from my camera, look really, really good on this display. It doesn't look pixelated, the colors are really nice and accurate to what they actually look like on my phone or laptop, whatever. So I'm sure that you guys will be really happy if you get this, if you wanted like a photo frame. And another thing that you can do, you can see right now, is if you have vertical photos, you can have it display 2 at a time. So instead of having one there and then like black bars, it's kind of nice, you just fit more in there, and it just looks really good. So next up is the sound quality on this thing here. I'll just demonstrate a couple different songs that you guys can listen to here. Of course, it won't sound the exact same as if you were actually here because it's going through a microphone, but just to give you guys an idea. No, I love the audio though, and I'll just let you guys listen to this here quickly. But yeah, I think that pretty much covers at least most of what I wanted to cover in this video. So I figured I'd just give kind of my final thoughts on this thing, just to send you guys off onto whatever your next video on YouTube is. It works perfectly as a photo frame, and it's really nice for me just because I take a lot of photos. It's nice to just have them on here and just show them off. You know, sometimes if I have people over, it's cool just because they can see those pictures too, without me having to go like, whoa, look at this. But yeah, I think that's pretty much going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And if you guys are looking at buying this, again, I'd really recommend. I'd give it as many thumbs up as I can. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking. I'll let you guys go watch whatever YouTube video you want to go watch now. Again, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want, you can go check out other videos that I have. I got a few. So, hey, why not? I'm going to stop talking. Have a great day, a great week, rest of your lives, whatever you want, and thank you for watching.